if you're considering, right, reaching out to a coach or whatever, marketing or whatever it is, break down the amount of money that you need to invest in order to hire said company. And ask yourself a really detail, like, what do I need to do in my business to be able to make that money back? Because $15,000 as a $15,000 number just feels like a lot. But if you think about it in this way, we keep like signing up for like virtual things, or we keep following so-and-so and getting their like $97 like self-guide or whatever. And while I'm not saying that those things are not helpful, if you tally all of that stuff up that you've spent over X amount of time and what you would then need to do in your business in order to pay that back, it's easier to digest.
Totally. Yeah, I always say that. Like if you're going to spend $15,000, then how many sales do you need to make in order to bring in that $15,000? And then you just focus on bringing in that amount of sales, and then you have it covered. Boom.
Right.
Right.
And then your return on investment just feels less overwhelming.
Yes.
Right. It feels like, okay, I could do this. Like if I focus and if I apply what I'm learning through this, then I can. And I'm slowly starting to open myself up to that, because now I feel that I'm in a position in my career where I'm partnering with universities, I'm partnering with doctors, I'm a regular on TV, I want to write another book. I need a team, like I need help, because my goal is to reach as many people as I possibly can through my work as a way of helping, right? How am I going to do that? How does that look? And then who am I going to get on my team to help me execute that plan, right? And then that's where I feel like, I'm like, okay, I'm going to do it. And I did it. And it feels great. I almost feel like, why didn't I do this before?
Yes.
When you have somebody holding your hand, it's like, okay, I'm not sure, but I know this person is going to have an answer for me.
Totally.
So it makes you feel a little bit more at ease.
And less alone.
And less alone.
And like you have someone to ideate with. You have someone to brainstorm with. I mean, that's really what you're paying for. You should be paying people who are doing what you want to do, first of all, or have an expertise that you don't have.
Right.
That will help you get to the next level, that you trust, that you can go to them and be like, hey, I have this idea. What do you think? Or how should I do this? Instead of you trying to figure it out on your own or trying to go to YouTube University, like they're not giving you strategy. They're giving you what you should do. They're not giving you the how or the behind the scenes that is not on the video. Like there's little things that come with this game that you have to invest or be mentored or something who is giving you the play-by-play that's behind the scenes that people don't really talk about, right? Especially in a public setting. Like there's a lot of things that come with this stuff that people are not even willing to say on camera. So you could go to YouTube University, but you're not going to get the beef of what it is that you need in order to really take this thing to the next level.
Yeah, and what you need for your business, right?
Exactly.
I come from a business of teaching, right? So I teach my community how to eat more plants to help improve XY condition, right? Or whatever that is. And the way that I market my one-on-one coaching is I will be your guide on the side, holding your hand. Well, it's the same for us, right? When we're running our business. It's just, it just looks different because it's not a nutritionist. It's like a marketing professional or like a business coach, right? So seeing the need for that personalized approach to help you get to the next level is really important, especially as a way of scaling your business.
Totally. And it just saves you time. And ultimately, it saves you money because you leave money on the table. Yeah. Exactly. You're leaving so much money on the table with you trying to figure it out on your own. Like, pay the experts, y'all. Pay the experts. It's like when you go to the doctor, you're going to the expert so that you can get the answer quick, fast, rápido, so you can go on to the next thing. Stop taking so much time. Like, you're wasting time.